Hi, I'm Jason and welcome to Dosatron University. Today we will review how to perform routine service on your Dosatron D25RE09 11 GPM injector. The information pertains to the blue standard and the white PVDF versions. Before we start, make sure the Dosatron unit is clicking. If not, please watch the D25RE09 troubleshooting video. To service your Dosatron D25RE09, you will need the seal kit and Phillips head screwdriver. It's best to perform this maintenance in a clean area, or if your Dosatron unit is in line, cover your concentrate tank so you won't lose any of the parts. To begin, unscrew the suction hose nut and remove the suction hose. Unscrew the 4 screws at the base of the injection stem. Pull the stem straight out from the bottom of the unit and set the body aside. Unscrew and remove the check valve nut. Then pull the check valve assembly straight out of the white stem. Discard the old check valve parts. Unscrew the lock nut and remove the anti-lock ring. Unscrew and remove the black adjusting nut. Then slide the metal retainer down and remove. Push the white injection stem up and out of the black sleeve. Remove the injection stem O-ring by pinching and rolling it off of the white stem. Install the new O-ring into the groove. Then remove the injection sleeve O-ring by pinching and rolling it off of the black sleeve. Install the new O-ring into the groove. To reassemble, align the groove in the white stem with the tooth inside the lower portion of the black sleeve and slide the stem down as far as possible. Slide the metal retainer onto the sleeve. Then thread the adjusting nut onto the sleeve and set it around 1 to 200 or 0.5%. This will ensure that you'll have enough threads for the next step. Then align the teeth inside the anti-lock ring with the grooves on the white stem and slide it onto the bottom of the stem. Thread the lock nut on and hand tighten. Now install the new check valve assembly into the stem as shown and reinstall the check valve nut. Set the stem aside. Pick up the unit and remove the plunger seal by pinching and rolling it off of the plunger. Install the new seal into the groove. To finish up, place the protective cone in the body as shown and carefully slide the injection stem assembly onto the plunger. Align the 4 holes in the metal retainer with the holes in the body. Place the screws into the body and position the scale on the stem to face outward. Hand tighten the screws in a star pattern. Before installing the suction hose, inspect it. If it flares out, cut an inch or so off and reinstall. Or if the suction hose is cracked, rigid, or looks really old, just replace it. Now thread the suction hose nut onto the hose. Slide it onto the barb and hand tighten the nut. Make sure to set the Dosatron unit to your desired setting. We hope this video has been helpful in servicing your Dosatron D25RE09 injector. For more information, give us a call at 800-523-8499 or visit us online at dosatronusa.com. To see our other videos, check out our YouTube channel or see the video page on our website. I'm Jason Maddox at Dosatron University. Thanks for watching.